Hello there, my name is Creepy Trucky and we're back in the van project over here. Today I'm working near my friend's house to use his power because I foolishly blew up my inverter. So I need to use external power for power tools. But anyways, let's look at the progress I was talking about last time on the last van diary. As you can see, the walls, not the ceiling, and the floor of the area I intend to build the living quarters in the van is now foiled up. Now behind the foil is some core flue, which gives a contact insulation between the metal walls of the van. This will help with the radiant heat insulation. Now, if you're wondering why the silver side is on the inside, it's because I doubled it up the foil, and I plan to build a thermal battery underneath the floor, which will be this area right here. To build the floor is the next step now, and what we're going to do is we're going to measure out how wide this area needs to be, and plan, and then basically cut up some timber and plan out the floor, the floor structure. Now, because I want to build a thermal battery as well, I also need to mark out where the holes for the water pipe needs to go. And this here is the floorboards, and this here is the timber I'm going to start working on. And over here is 2 milk crates I'm going to use as sawhorses. If you don't actually have sawhorses, so you want to save a couple of bucks, a couple of milk crates will do the job nicely. And the tool I'll be using here today will be typical handsaw and a power jigsaw. Nothing too fancy, very cheap tools. Why you want to use a handsaw when you have a power tool saw is because a handsaw is supposed to be a set square. Hang on a second. Not this one. What the hell? This one sucks. I'm just going to have to grab another one that can work as a handsaw. But otherwise, this top straight edge here will work nicely as a ruler for marking out. That's how you do it. And hopefully I can get the floor done in the next 3 hours. Then I can have a floor to lie on when I go to bed tonight. Oh yeah, and I forgot the insulation. I haven't brought the insulation wool yet, but obviously you're gonna stick the insulation underneath the floorboards in between the metal wooden frame. And here's the remaining foil material. I bought way too much. Well, what the heck? It's useful. You can use it to make lots of things, like curtains and privacy screens to put on your windscreen and such. Oh, and that tin of biscuits. Let's take a look at a tin of biscuits. Now, I'm not actually packaged for biscuits, but I bought the tin for the tin. This tin is going to go through here, right at this spot, right here, where I'm going to cut out a hole. I'm going to use the tin as a chimney until I can install the wood heater system. And because the tin has a nice lid over here, you'll keep it nice and sealed while the tin is through a big hole in the ceiling, and prevent the rain from coming in. That's the whole idea. Basically, this is going to be the final flue, the chimney for my heating system. It's going to be a wood heater system. It's a lot cleaner and a lot safer to use a gas system, but I can have a source of wood fuel really cheaply. Anything else to mention? Not much for now. All right, I'll see you in the next time. I think. Catch you later.